Write down the value of two functions f and g are defined in the following table. Fx, the values are given here, gx, the values are given here, and we need to find out f of 1. So just use the chart to find out f of 1. Here it is fx, the values are given. So for particular value of x, that is f of 1 at x equals to 1, the value of fx is 3. So f of 1, as you can see from here, f of 1 is 3. So f of 1 is 3. Now find the value of g of f of 1. So g of f of 1, this is nothing but the composite function. This is composite function. So for this composite function, it is basically nothing but if we in this is basically nothing but this g of fx. So it is, we have to find out at x equals to 1 what is the value of fx. So already we have found out that at x equals to 1 the value of fx is 3. So basically we are trying to find out g of f of 1. So it is nothing but g of f of 1 is nothing but 3. So g of 3. And from the chart you can see g of x at 3, the value is 5. So the value of g of f of 1 is 5. So the composite function g of of 1 is equals to 5. So this answer is equals to 5. Now we will move toward the tricky question, that is find the value of g inverse of minus 2. Okay, so g inverse of minus 2, here the value of x, accordingly you are trying to find out like value of x for x equals to minus 2, what will be the value of y. So but the thing is, if any function is gx and for x and y values are there, say x and y value are a and b, then when we are trying to find out g inverse x, then the values will be swapped, like for x and y, for x value will be b and y value will be a. So these values will be swapped. So as you can see, at x equals to 1, g of x is minus 2. At x equals to 1, g of x is minus 2. See here, g of x is minus 2 at x equals to 1. So from here we are writing, so for inverse at x equals to minus 2, g inverse of x will be 1. G inverse of x will be 1. Just we have swapped the values. It is very important to swapping the values. Just we have tried to swap the values, and after swapping, the x and y values are swapped. That's why the value of x is gone towards value of y and value of y gone towards the value of x. This is the fun of the inverse functions. So in this way, the find the value of g inverse of minus 2, it is nothing but 1. So this problem is also done. Thank you for watching IB360. In next videos we will discuss the next problems. Thank you.